But what is hurting my heart so much is when people change and they want to say people are doing bad that they used to do. I understand what you're trying to say now. I understand what you're trying to say now, Marion Hall, sorry. I understand what you're saying, Marion Hall. I understand what you're saying now. But I don't understand. I understand, but I don't understand. Because if you want the young people and old people like me to come in a church with you, that's not the way to go about it. That's not the way to go about it. How can you influence us to go into church talking like that and behaving like that? You cannot, that no, you did not convince me. I mean, like, Jada Kingdom is weak. What did you expect from a Jada Kingdom? She's a young child. She just come in. You were young when you started the music too. You were young. And you had this big white panty, big old white drawers, pan some face with them that to ban you. They had to ban you. You went pan some face with one big old white drawers and skin out your front. And some face ban you for about 20 years. You forget? Did you forget? Remember, say we have kids. Remember, say we have kids. And we were kids. We were children too. We do wrongs when we are picnic. And when our mother tell we not look for mother. We not pay mother no mind. You understand? So even my friends them nowadays, when me see them, I tell them picnic them, but oh, we need to rude and not punish. Someone have to stop because we were rude kids too. We were kids and we rude. So if Shensia come out to do a song and she want man lick her from left, right and center and she want come show her pum pum, you don't have no right to come tell her that she can't write and she can't. You have writing problem too. You have to get writer too. And you can't come and tell people what spices you live in your yard and this. That is not a Christian. That is not a Christian, my girl. You understand? Me know say me can't war on the wall and kill me, not clash on the do me bad on the enough things me not talking, enough things me not come and talk because you of all person were one of them that stood into my career and give me a lot of fight. I got a lot of fight from you, mama sir. And if I wish to talk the truth, is the truth. You do not like to see when a lot of female is doing well. And the female them is doing well and you must wish them well. These young girls, they are doing well. And it's time you start to love and appreciate them no matter what you're doing or even if you're a Christian. Because the woman them go through hell. Look how much things them put me through and me still giving them strength. Right? Shensia is not going to be the last young girl going to come in this business. People going to come after her. And Shensia will have to accept that. You understand? Are you go up and Winfred and the ladies, sir? Are you go up and Winfred and Carrie Spice? Remember when you don't want to bring down my career? When you wanted to bring down my career, you went on Winfred show. Remember good enough? And you grab on pan Spice and then you say, "Is she the next queen of dancehall? May I give it to she?" So you want to take it now? Or you want this the girl? What you bring to the table? I don't understand. What you bring? And the top of the girl, child, and the picnic them are going to see her body fall apart. What are you doing? And the friend them are going to laugh at the picnic. What are you doing? Come on. That's not a Christian. When I listen to your argument, woman, sir, it's like you tell the people that this the girl. It's like you tell Spice spit the kids them at school for laugh after the kids them a so it a sound like you give them things to do. That is not a Christian. Let me look at my paperwork. If the man left under my pussy falls, what was that? Me not understand. Be a leader, not a follower, my girl. When you go over church and can't be the queen of a church, that's why you want to come back in the dance hall. People, listen to me. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. Me not beg no friend and no don't tell me say me all and run me out of dance hall a long time. Me still turn up in there by myself. Me alone and God. Me go through hell. We ladies are when ladies are. Lady G go through hell too. Ladies are find herself go on Rasta show. And when Lady G locks up her head and I try to run from ladies and go up on the Rasta show down at Ocho St. Mary. So find herself down there go up on stage at this Lady G. Make people write up on things about Lady G in the paper. Right? You're not perfect too, Marion Hall. Stop it. come and encourage people. It better they come out and say you're praying for them. Oh, Jesus, help me, Lord. I am praying for Shensi. I am praying for Jada Kingdom. I'm praying for Spice. I'm praying for all of these new generation. Better they come out and say that. Don't come out and come degrade the girl them like that. Don't do that. Oh, we're going to feel like we want to come in a church like that. That means we're going to feel like, say, church full of pure hypocrisy. And church not good. Oh, we're going to feel good for coming to church. Oh, you over here, sir, watch. I saw you miss over here, sir. Oh, you see everything. People, when me I put out the cucumber song, remember when me I put out the cucumber song, me I go tell you something, people, because I never talk. Because one thing me like when God make me wait for the because she said she a Christian, everybody pray too. Spice in our house a pray. Shensia we a pray. Oh, you don't know if I pray, Shensia pray for this, for big now, and our career make it. You can't make it look like people don't know God, man. Come on, man. You're over to the Christian thing now. And you always sound like you're still a DJ, or you're still a badness, or you're still bully the people them. So I remember say when you are around the place, you never want nobody else. You never want nobody else. People that talk, so you got open man and hold on everybody. So enough things what the people them do now, you were doing it. So instead of repenting and find yourself properly first, you're coming to degrade people. Don't do that. Let me tell you something now, people. If somebody have the cucumber song, and I'm going to release the cucumber song, I'm dressed up like the old lady and all these things, and you see the internet there going, and me crap the internet. You don't know, say, little sir, send me about 1,000 voice note. Oh, me don't look good, and the people them say me old, and me come out of the music, and me don't look good, and me can't even me dash with the voice note. I'm not like if Lady Ann, we should talk the truth, Lady Ann was the only person me tell. And Lady Ann beg me to send her the voice note. I'm say, Lady Ann, me not look no hype of a lady song, and me not send them voice note there. The woman say me don't look good, and me don't sound good, and the cucumber song now go nowhere, and this and that, and me to stop it, and the music done with me. And she all tell me say the music done with me, you know, and see me here right now. See me here right now. And nearly 20 promoter call me since week for shows. Me still at the music still a pay my bills. You understand? You don't come and try to belittle people. You're a Christian now. What your eyes are doing over here? You should have make a well one go over the church with you. Lady, you should be over the church going on so good that we wish with the tongue Christian too. You understand? Instead of over here, trouble the young people them. Right? Me and you are big old woman now. And me still a try to do my thing because nobody now pay my bills. You understand? Me never see no way in a Jamaica or in the world when them say old people when they reach over a certain age, light bill free, rent free, or mortgage free. So me still have to find a way over keep up my career. And that's what I did. And everybody asked me, but do one little song with them, I said big woman versus young girl. Me never in there diss up the girl, I'm not going like me diss up young girl. No, I did it for fun. Because me I say, when the girl them reach my age, them can sing the song, you have to be creative. And that's what I do. I use my creative genes and I hold up my thing and I go and maintain my career. Me, if you want to come back on the music, if you want to come back to the dance later side, we accept it, you know? We accept it, we can make a ram out the stadium like Buju. Come on, man. Remember some Ninja Man do it, you know? Ninja Man do it how much time? So if you want to come back, no mama. Nothing wrong with it. We idolize you, you know? You understand? We idolize you, you know? Yeah, me not busy one say about the Spice and the whole and years, but no say the whole of them hold on my career, them do all of what them want to do. Me not care, but me still there. Maybe God never want me to reach certain place or in a certain things. So God know why Him allow them to do that. But them still couldn't kill me. You understand? But when I say ladies, if you want to come back, come now. We accept you. The people them love you, you know. You're one of the most strong female them when you walk out on stage, you come like a man artist and you rock the place. The people them miss you for true. The people that would have love if you come over here. But are you go up and win Fred? Are you go up and win for that whole lamp and Spice and say you are the next dancehall queen? So why you come take it away? Why you come degrade the girl now for? Me don't want a friend from Spice and a friend. Me look like a split justice. Me don't like them things here. Let me tell you something you never know about me. Me have a love in my heart for the female artists them because I know them go through. I just them not no love for me. Enough of them not no love for me and no business about me. But me still not care. Me not make them mash up my heart. You understand? Me keep my birthday party one night in New York, I go on good, and the new girl, one new artist girl, couple of them was there. I'm gonna give them the mic, I make them DJ. Right? Shensi not do nothing wrong with a song. Right now, I don't want a man skin me out and lick me. What wrong with that? No love making. Me don't understand. Me don't understand there's something there. Right? Because you can't be the queen of gospel. You're over here still looking. I don't understand. What is wrong with you? The woman body you go pop off and the woman. Me say me heart hurt me. Me say me want and watch it. Oh, you got your bed go sleep after you talk about the people them like that. Oh, you go hold the Bible and pray to God after you talk about the people them like that. Me could have never do it. No matter what you and Spice and all of them do me never. Me could have never talk so bad about them. Me wish them all the best. Me wish Spice all the best. Me wish Cynthia all the best. Me wish everybody all the best. Because me no blow a breath in my life. And that's why me look so. And me always look so good. Because me heart, me not carry nothing here so. Me don't carry nothing in here. In case me want to know everybody. Look here. Me go to one club the other night. And the woman said me have to cover my passport. And me I show the woman the license. And the woman said, you look too young. I cannot let you in the club. And that me I try to tell him. And my heart I do it. Because no matter what people do me, I'm not going to have them up. You understand? Right? Lady G, when Lady G had, this woman did come and this up Lady G, and you out there DJ slapness, and you skin out your front, and you say, yes, I understand what you're trying to say. You're trying to bring them to God, but that's not the way to do it. They're that kingdom weak. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? And you want the people them to know, say, oh, me they carry bed already on stage, so you want them to know, say, are you Spice or follow? You don't understand? What are you saying? What are you saying? I don't get it. Like, me lost, you know? And the woman body I go pop off from her lungs and the pit them I go laugh. How it reach there, sir? What kind of body I wish you the woman? Don't care when me and nobody want to have moon light to them body fall apart and them decide them dead or nothing wrong with them. Come on, man. Come on, man. We can't accept your back lady. What am I do? Squeeze you up over there? What, them a squeeze you up in the church? Why you stifle over the church? You want to come back in the dance hall? I don't understand. Me try to understand what you say. You have so much big songs that you could have stayed in dance hall and sing your catalog. Because of that, me I do. And still I maintain and do one new song. Right? And you have more songs than me. And you run gone and know you still have a problem with the people them. Make the people them grow. Shansia is young. Make she grow and make her mistake and broke her toe too. And find God like you in the future. Well, if you look on a 20-odd-year-old girl and I come tell her this and that and she need right and she did this and she did that and and what? Nobody never did that bother you. Nobody never did that trouble you. Nobody wasn't troubling you, lady. Come on, man. I feel so bad. I said I couldn't sleep. Like, I said when the person send me the video, I'm watch it. I want to unwatch it. Come here, say, what is going? Look here. The lady send me one bag of voice note when we do the cucumber song. And when she sent me video, oh, I was just passing on the internet and I glimpsed you on the internet dressing like this old lady trying to convince the people that the old thing is going to work. You need to stop. You don't look good. You don't sound good. Your song sound like fuckery. And she never said the fuck, because I know she's a Christian. Your song don't sound good and the people them not going to accept you anymore. You need to leave the business. I said, like, seriously? Are you on music? Me sorry, me can't even find the voice note them now. I couldn't hear them. Can't good I think I lie me and tell. Ask the lady and if I lie me and tell. I know say lady and talk the truth. A lady and was the first person I think me never remember me play them make she hear. The woman say me if it put on music and me not sound good. A long time she had trouble people. But something so she come out with it now. You understand? And because you feel like say Macka did for stop like you and Macka find a way now or to use the big woman thing and still relevant. You understand? And I hold me own. Me nah look over Shantia. And me nah look over Spice. And me nah look over Jada them. Even if me look over them, I'm happy for them. And me feel good because the woman is taking over. The woman them are going good in the lady. You don't see that? You're not happy for them. You're not happy for the woman them. Look how the woman them suffer the man them. Every time the man them go up on one stage show and come back, then can't buy house and then can't buy car and then can't buy land. And when the woman them go away and come back, we can't even buy the tire them on the car. I want to door them on the house. The way them treat you bad. And you want to bring down woman so? Oh God, man. Me not lie. Me feel for cry.